Hello, I am Dr. Arvind Shaligram. I am CEO of SPPU Research Park Foundation, a sectionate company established for supporting the startups. So today we had a session on what are the steps to get into the startup with proper legal and ethics. We realize that the environment around in the country as well as globally is very mature for the startup ecosystem. Startups are encouraged because startups are the ones which represent the ambitions, aspirations of entrepreneurs. Anybody who is interested in starting their startup has to have different aspects looked into it, and in the session today I tried to explain how the startups can be initiated, how one can have some idea and expand it, how it can be converted into a business plan, what would be the financial aspects related to it, what would be the legal aspects, who are the entities who are available and required for forming the legal steps like the company secretaries, the chartered accountants and other kinds of compliances which are required from the government side. In addition to that, there are different aspects related to the finance, and the finance aspect can be started with own funding, maybe your own savings or savings coming from your friends, families, but then subsequently there have to be some outside funding sought from, and these outside funding can be from angel investors or venture capitalists or banks, and different ways in which these can be collected. The primary purpose of any kind of startup has to be revenue earning. So what is the revenue model? What would be the ways in which you can start earning revenue, and not unreasonable profits, but reasonable profits by following various ethical standards? This is something what I tried to explain today.